At a festival, AumSum was cheerfully watching a chef prepare some fresh burgers. As a few burgers were placed on a tray, AumSum leaned forward slightly. Suddenly, the burgers gave a tiny hop towards AumSum. Miraculously, AumSum could now control burgers. Suddenly, a loud vibration shook the city. Several trays of burgers tipped forward. The burgers rolled off the tables, landed on the road, and kept on rolling. Within moments, all the burgers began rolling down the street like wheels. Without hesitation, AumSum ran toward the rolling burgers. He raised both hands and focused. A few burgers slowed down and stopped. But there were too many burgers. He spread his hands wide and guided the rolling burgers into straight lines. Then he guided the lines back towards the festival tables. One by one, the burgers lifted slightly and settled back onto trays exactly where they belonged. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero AumSum. AumSum was walking along a quiet road one cloudy afternoon when the sky suddenly darkened. A flash of lightning struck nearby. Then, something strange happened. A tiny spark jumped from the glowing air and landed on AumSum's hand. It danced gently across his palm. AumSum lifted his hand slightly, and the spark lifted too. He moved his fingers, and the lightning followed his movement. Miraculously, AumSum could now control lightning. Suddenly, the clouds above began swirling violently. Nearby, lightning struck a tall metal statue. The statue began glowing intensely, crackling with bright electric lines. Sparks jumped from its arms and base, flashing dangerously across the ground. People standing around the square stepped back in fear. AumSum noticed the danger immediately and ran toward the statue without hesitation. He planted his feet firmly on the ground and raised both hands. As he reached toward the glowing metal, long strands of lightning stretched out from the statue like glowing ropes. AumSum tightened his grip and pulled harder. The lightning slowly began sliding out of the statue, stretching and bending as it followed his hands. With strong, controlled movements, AumSum pulled the lightning completely free. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. AumSum was sitting comfortably at home one afternoon, watching his favorite cartoon on television. As AumSum raised his hand, something unusual happened. The characters froze in place. Surprised, AumSum moved his hand slightly, and the cartoon began moving again. Curious and excited, AumSum made the picture zoom out and zoom in. Miraculously, AumSum could now control televisions. Suddenly, a large television set up in a park nearby began glowing intensely. A massive image pushed forward, threatening to burst out completely. If the screen broke, sharp glass and heavy equipment could fall and hurt people. AumSum rushed to the park. He raised his hands higher and sent out a powerful wave. The wave struck the massive image, and inch by inch it began sliding backwards and into the screen. The television stopped shaking, and the glow faded. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. AumSum was walking through a park when something strange suddenly happened. A soft humming filled the air, and dozens of delivery drones hovering above him began slowing down at the same time. As AumSum lifted his hands in surprise, the drones gently shifted direction, following the movement of his hands. Miraculously, AumSum could now control drones. AumSum watched with excitement as hundreds of delivery drones were scheduled to drop supplies, decorations, and equipment for a large evening festival. Suddenly, something went wrong. The navigation systems of the drones went haywire. One by one, they began losing control. Boxes slipped loose and began falling. Several machines headed straight toward crowded streets. Drones collided mid-air, sending broken parts spinning downward. People below ran in confusion as objects crashed near them. AumSum sensed the danger immediately. Without hesitation, he focused deeply, stretching his power farther than before. AumSum first froze the most unstable drones in mid-air. Then, with careful movements, he redirected broken drones away from people, guiding them toward empty rooftops and open fields. He instructed working drones to catch falling packages just before they hit the ground. Slowly, order began to return to the sky. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum.